Beauty hacks every girl needs to know. If you want your perfume to last longer, put some Vaseline on the area before spraying. If you don't have time for your nails to dry, get a cup of ice cold water and stick them in. I promise it works every time. If you're in a rush and don't have time to self-tan or spray tan, this stuff is a must. It works wonders and leaves the most natural glowy tan. You just spray this stuff on, blend it in, it rubs in really easily, and this is what it looks like. Here's the before, and there you have it.
Dry chapped lips in the wintertime, then you guys are going to love this hack. If you're a mom, then you probably already know how amazing Aquaphor is for using on babies' bottoms, but check this out. First, take an old lipstick that you're not using anymore, and then you're going to remove all the lipstick from inside the tube and clean it as best you can. Dig out as much as you can with whatever you've got. Then once you have a completely empty tube, make sure you wash it with soap and water. Then you're going to take the tube and press it directly down into the Aquaphor. Take a spoon and make sure it's packed in tight, and then wipe it nice and clean. And then you can take this with you on the go for the next time you need some relief for your chapped lips. Like and follow for more tips.
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
First train on the plane, we were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road, into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down. We go. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home, to see the ones we love. Time to back again, to hit the road again. Memories all around, tears are flowing down. It's time to say goodbye to all these colors, flavors, cultures, and to jump on that train.